Hi, this is Mike. I got my ANBULL tile vibrating tool here. Seems like a pretty neat tool. Comes in its own carrying case. So we'll open it up here. Just want to do a quick unboxing. Comes with a little bit of just some literature. Okay, if we remove this, and I have some tiles here I'm going to try to use with it. But if we open it up here, we have 2 lithium ion batteries, so the good ones, 2 amp hours, okay, 2 batteries, and a charger, which is obviously you need. And finally, this is what it looks like. So the button's on the top. It's got an on and off button right here. It's got 5 settings. So if I put it on 5 and I hit this button, if I go to like 3, so what you do is you put it down on it, pull the lever, and there you go. Picks it up. So I guess the idea is that if you're trying to put a piece of tile down, you want to level it out. It actually has a level on top. You put this on there, you put the tile down, you back butter, put it down, and then you would use this to sort of shake the tile and manipulate it so that it's super flat. Pretty neat tool, actually. I wish I had one of these when I've done my other tile jobs. So let's see how it works. All right, we're gonna go right when you put this tile down, that this thing is going. All right. Oh yeah. All right, so to wrap it up, it's pretty neat. I think this was actually a lot more useful for big format tile. So if you're putting a big tile, you put this on there and you can vibrate it. Obviously, this was a really extreme case. I didn't trowel at all. I just threw it on there to try to make it as messy as possible or as uneven as possible. And I was able to get it pretty close. So I don't know, it's pretty neat. I like the idea that you can pick up a tile with it. Look, it's gonna pick up both tiles now that they're kind of mason, So that's the ANBULL tile vibrating tool. You can actually pick this up on Amazon. I'll put a link down to below. It's definitely a specialty tool, pretty neat little gadget. Didn't even know these things existed. I like the idea that it comes in its own carrying case, so I can just put it down near with all my tiling tools. Don't have to worry about it until I'm actually tiling. But all right, go pick one up. ANBULL tile vibrator. Bam.